just faith, for you're never alone. For the God on the mountain is still God in the valley. When things go wrong, He'll make them right. And the God of the good time is still God in the bad times. The God of the day is still God in the night. You talk of faith when you're up on the mountain. Talk comes so easy when life's at its best. Now it's down in the valley of trials and temptations. That's where your faith is really put to the test.